Hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. In this video of MS Word course, I'm going to teach you how to create and use macros function in MS Word. Well guys, macros function is used to record any action which you frequently use or which you frequently perform in your MS Word. And after recording that particular action, you can use that action by just pressing a certain shortcut key, right? So that's how you can use macros function. First you have to record it, you have to create it. Once after you have created the macros function, you have to use it wherever you want, right? Now let me go to directly our MS Word software and learn about this. So guys, as you can see right now I'm in my MS Word software. Now to find out the macros function, you have to go to view tab, and in view tab you will be able to see this macros option, right? So you just have to click on this drop down menu and you have to click on the start macro in order to record the action, right? Now that action can be anything. You can write any particular content which you need on a regular basis or on a very frequent basis. Otherwise you can perform any action which you use on a very frequent basis, and you can record that action in order to use that action in future, right? So I'm just clicking on the record macro button. Now you have to name this macro. What you can name it whatever you want. Let me just write it like details, because I'm going to write the details of our agency, which is Marketing Fundas, right? So I'm writing details, right? Now you have to assign it a simple button or a shortcut key. So I'm going with shortcut key. So just click on keyboard. Now you have to press the shortcut key here. So I'm going with Control Shift M. So once I press Control Shift M, it will automatically detect you that you have pressed a shortcut key, right? Now once you have added your shortcut key, click on Assign and then Close. And once you close, you'll be able to see a cassette like icon with your cursor, which means the recording is live. Basically the recording is going on. Now you have to write whatever you want. Let's say I'm writing Marketing Fundas is one of the leading mark agency famous for bringing ROI. So guys, as you can see, I've written the content. So this is the content I use on a frequent basis. Basically I have to write this content many times. That's why I recorded this content. Now I'm just going to stop the recording. Otherwise, if I want to add something after few time, basically after few minutes, few hour, or after few pages, I can pause this recording and resume whenever I want, right? But right now I just want to stop this recording. Once I stop this recording, the macros has been saved, automatically saved, right? Now whenever I want, I can use this shortcut. Now as you know that I have used Control Shift M. This was the shortcut and this is working perfectly fine. Let me do one thing. Let me decrease the size of our text so that we can understand. Let me go to 12. Now it's fine. And if I press Control Shift M, it will automatically show the content, right? As you can see, I can press it as much as I want, as much as times I want, and this will add the content like this, right? Now you can use this macros function many times, right? Basically in many different ways. It is totally up to you that how you are using this macro function. Let's say I'm writing, let me do one thing. Go to the top of this page. Let's start with this one, right? I'm writing 1 2 3, then 4 5 6 7, then 8 9, right? So this is the number I have written. Now let's say I want all these numbers, although this is only 9 numbers, but maybe if there's 100 numbers. Now let's say I want all these numbers to be closed under the bracket like this, and add this and this, right? So this is the thing I want with all these numbers. So how I can do this? So for that I have to record the action, and I can apply that particular action with all these numbers, on all these numbers, right? So let's go to record one more macro. For that, click on record. Now you have to again name it, otherwise you can leave it. Now give the shortcut key, which is, this time I want to give Control Shift N, N as a nest, right? Now click on assign button and hit the close button, and the recording has been started. Now open the bracket, then end button. You have to press the end button of your keyboard so that you can go to the end of your word or character, right? Then close the bracket and hit the full stop button, and then change the line, right? Oops, I think done something wrong. I have to record it again. Let me just stop this and do it again. So I've done a mistake. Let me just do one more time. I'm going to again record macro. Name is already set. Let's give it a name, Control Shift N again this time, right? Or let's give another name, Control Shift, not B, Control Shift L, right? Control Shift L would be fine. So guys, I'm using this shortcut key, Control Shift plus number plus, right? Basically this is the number plus, which is available in my keyboard, basically the plus icon, right? Now hit the assign button, hit the close button. Now again start with bracket open. Now hit the end button of your mouse, not mouse, your keyboard. Then again close the bracket. Now let's change the change something different. Let's do this space, then dash. Then you have to press the down key, basically the four arrows you have in your keyboard. Press the downward key, then press home, right? So this is the action I've recorded. Now let me just stop this action, right? So the action has been recorded. Now I have to just press the shortcut key, which was Control Shift and plus, and as you can see, the action is working perfectly fine. So that's how I can record any particular action, and I can apply those action as much as I want, right? Now once you are done with your actions, let's say you now you want to remove those macros which you have recorded. So you have to go to view macros. Now here we do have these details, then macro 1, macro 2, macro 3. So you can delete whatever you want. Let's say you have selected this. Now just you have to delete and done, right? Now you have one more option over here, macros in. Basically you can set that this macro will particularly work on this document only, right? You can set that thing here, otherwise you can leave it, or if you leave it, then the macros will work in any document. You just have to press that particular shortcut key. Now this is the deleting process is just simple like this. You just have to select and delete like this, right? I hope you understood the process. I hope you like how you can use macros in order to work more efficiently, how you can record any action, and how you can use these actions more frequently whenever you want. So hit that like and subscribe button if you like this video. Also don't forget to share this video with your needy friends who want to learn macro function and all over MS Word software. So with that said, I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.